It is the largest healthcare strike in U.S. history. 75,000 Kaiser employees in 5 states, including California, have walked off the job over wages and staffing shortages. It's our top story on the 4. I'm Heather Myers.
I'm Carlo Cicchetto. CBS 8's Kelly Hessedal is live in Grantville outside Kaiser's Zion Medical Center with what's happening out there right now. And Kelly, I can tell it's pretty loud.
Yeah, you know, the strike started at 6 a.m. It continues at this hour. If you take a look, you can see for yourself what's happening outside of the Kaiser Hospital here in Grantville. Smaller crowd than earlier, but some of these Kaiser workers, you know, they've been out here for a long time. There is a sense of unity, but you can feel their frustration. All day, people have been driving by, honking their support. The crowd has been cheering, but this is just one location. There are 4 other locations where workers are rallying as well. Kearney Mesa, La Mesa, San Marcos, and Otay Mesa. So we're talking thousands of people here in San Diego and across the country. The people you see out here are nurses, home health aides, technicians in radiology, x-ray, surgical, pharmacy, and emergency departments. They want their voices heard. Some came up with more creative ways to get their message across. They say that among the big sticking points, wages, staffing issues. Workers say they've been complaining for months about having to do more with less. Some say they're working 16-hour days to make up for staffing shortages, and they say it's taking a toll on patient care.
We need help. We need you to step up and hire more staff. We need more nurses. We need more core staff.
It's a lot of frustration, anger, sadness that we cannot get everything that we need here. That we're here, that haven't even gotten to this point. In 22 years, we have never come to a strike.
We care more. We do provide. We hustle every day. We come. We love our work. We are not here standing for just the hell of it.
And so this is what it's been like out here all day long. Now, I do want to share the latest statement from Kaiser. It reads, both Kaiser Permanente management and coalition union representatives are still at the bargaining table, having worked through the night in an effort to reach an agreement. There has been a lot of progress with agreements reached on several specific proposals late Tuesday. So back out here live, it goes on to say that Kaiser is committed to reaching a new agreement that provides market-leading wages and excellent benefits. Now, if an agreement can't be reached, this strike will continue at least for the next couple of days. Heather and Carlo.
Kelly, what do patients need to know if they need medical attention?
Well, one thing to note is that doctors are not on strike. Kaiser says all of its hospitals as well as emergency rooms will remain open during this strike. They say they've hired some temporary workers to fill in the gaps. However, some labs are closed right now, temporarily at least. And at the same time, they also say there could be some delays in getting appointments as well as some postponement of non-urgent procedures. However, Kaiser says they're being flooded with calls right now. They say if they do need to reschedule an appointment for you, they will contact you.
Strike having some real impacts already, and the two sides have quite a ways to go to get together. Kelly Hessedal reporting live for us. Thanks, Kelly.